هاي هي مدينة شنجن، المدينة اللي كانت قبل عقود قرية صيد صغيرة، واليوم هي مدينة المستقبل. هون تصنع الأحلام وتولد الابتكارات.
شوف
سباق المستقبل، الصين. رحلتنا رح تبدأ من هون. اليوم رح نزور أهم وأكبر مدن الصين لنشوف ثورة التكنولوجيا والروبوتات، مصانع، مختبرات، روبوتات. اليوم رح نشوف على الواقع بما يسمى سباق المستقبل. لكن السؤال الأهم هو، هل الصين ممكن تتقدم على أمريكا؟
إيلون ماسك.
اليوم رح نتعرف على صراع العمالقة، نشوف الصين من الداخل. الصين اليوم
It never came on time, chat. I spent 70,000. This better do everything it should have did, and if it doesn't, I'm gonna be contacting these bro. Real hold on, chat. Oh. Okay, so it's a case inside of a case. Oh my God.
Phones. Just to give you an idea of how little is known about this stuff, you can Google the phone's name and nothing will come up. Absolutely zero. And then the second is the Samtaesung 8, which is a flagship North Korean phone. And yet this is different to South Korea's Samsung, which translates to 3 stars. This is Samtaesung, which translates to 3 huge stars. You're going to be seeing a lot of this whole. This is a $1,300 Samsung S25 Ultra. This is a $300 fake. They look almost identical. So I've decided to buy 10 of the most recognizable tech products. And for every one, we have found the best fake version on the internet to find out, are the fakes actually sometimes better value? So let's start with speakers. So this is the real $300 Harman Kardon Aura Studio 4. And then this is the $80 2025 LP90 Crystal Pro Bluetooth speaker Harman. And then this is the $80 2025 LP90 Crystal Pro Bluetooth speaker Harman Like Bass 4th Gen with TF card slot and FM radio. Catchy. So the fake one is like 15%.
As a quick recap, here's the important context I want you to have in mind. The goal of the model that you and I are studying is to take in a piece of text and predict what word comes next. The input text is broken up into little pieces that we call tokens, and these are very often words or pieces of words. In the last chapter, you and I started to step through the internal workings of a transformer. This is one of the key pieces of technology inside large language models and a lot of other tools in the modern wave of AI. It first hit the scene in a now famous 2017 paper called Attention is All You Need, and in this chapter, you and I will dig into what this attention mechanism is, visualizing how it processes data. As a quick recap, here's the important context I want you to have in mind. The first step in a transformer is to associate each token with a high-dimensional vector, what we call its embedding. Now, the most important idea I want you to have in mind is how directions in this high-dimensional space of all possible embeddings can correspond with semantic meaning. In the last
France invented a lot of early technologies in the world. But today, if you look at the scenario, the largest technology companies in the world are either American or Chinese. Many of them are led by Indian origin CEOs. Where did France lack?
I think the missing point is first scale, not just for the French, but for all the Europeans. Second, capital. And the third,
Most people buy earphones, they think of AirPods. When most people buy smartwatches, they think of Fitbit. But this video is not about most people. This is tech designed for the uber rich, going all the way up to a, no joke, $139,000 set of headphones that I'm a little scared to even touch. Now, I would guess that a lunchbox isn't what you'd normally associate with luxury. You kind of imagine Jeff Bezos has his meal hunted fresh in front of him when he hits his lunch break. But if you were to use one, it would be the $300.
Wow,
go.
It's flinging in the main ingredients as and when they're needed. The pan here is going to cook the food, and this top section will even drizzle in the water and oil and sprinkle in the spices and salt at the perfect times, using a camera that is watching the meal come together and using AI to understand what it's looking at. So let's come back later to find. I am about to spend $30,000 in the next 5 minutes buying the most futuristic tech on the internet. And then we're going to test it to find out if it actually is the future or if it's all just marketing nonsense. So what's the first thing I'd want to futurize? My TV? Oh, of course. Xiaomi released a transparent TV. I knew this was a thing already. I didn't realize you could actually just click buy. Okay, I have like a billion questions about this. We gotta try it. What are the things we expect the future will have? What about this? Invisibility bike. I remember seeing this a while ago on the internet as like a concept device that could hypothetically exist. £3,496. It's like $4,000. There's no way we can have the opportunity to test something like that and then not do it. What would a person from the future use as their tools? The Neo ruler.
This is a $1 billion rocket ship, a future technology that will one day take you all the way to Mars to live in your brand new home, a $500 million biosphere. Oh my gosh. And throughout this video, we'll show you